really pops out here in the sun. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 3,501 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here on these screens, that is in camera, that is not in person. You have the rear view mirror camera here, looks really nice. Steering's perfectly straight, no shakes or shimmies. Drives really, really nice. No complaints here. Just doing a real short drive. It's basically a brand new car with these kind of miles. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at the wheel, I don't see any curb rash. I do not see any PPF on this vehicle, so you're going to see a couple little imperfections there. Typical swirls from just everyday washing. Now we do offer paint correction and ceramic coating here in-house, and so we can get this looking tip-top. But overall, it still looks really good. I don't see any chips there. A-pillar looks nice. I don't feel any chips on the edges there. I know that's super common. Lower side looks good. Quarter panel's clean. Rear bumper looks nice. That wheel's perfect. I don't see any rash. Looking at that front end. Like I said, typical swirls from everyday washing. I do see a larger rock chip right there. Little scuffs here and there. Upper section looks good. That looks nice. You're going to see some kind of bug etching right here on the bumper, so I imagine that's kind of throughout. It's very subtle. I do see some heavy rash on that lower splitter. This edge is good though. Same here. And that edge is nice. Very little rash there. You can see some kind of bug etching, hard water stains there on the paint. Really light stuff. All minimal, really nothing larger than a rock chip, and honestly this is the largest one that I see. Fender looks good. That wheel looks amazing. That door looks good there. Little rock chip here, a couple light other small rock impacts. Looks like something kind of rubbed the paint. Those aren't gashes. Something kind of rubbed the surface, and based on that look, maybe at the car wash the hoses kind of rubbing down, or a car cover. So I see a couple there and that. So this would be something that you would do some paint correction on, and I imagine most of that would come out. That looks good. Edge is nice and clean. Lower section looks good. Quarter panel looks good. That wheel's clean. All of that looks really nice. The blackout emblems. Now you can see some kind of hard water spots right here that are in the paint. Here on that lower section, not seeing anything there. Beautiful, beautiful car. All right, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous. All of that is really clean. I don't see any flaws there. Typical light scuffs from getting in and out. That bolster, light wrinkles right here from getting in and out. Very light scuffs here on that edge. You can see it's very subtle. The rest of that seat is in great condition. You can see some fingernail scratches right there. Normally when you have longer nails, and it just kind of barely grazes it, so you can see that. The rest of that looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. That screen looks good. All of this has that nice matte finish to it. Really no other imperfections that I can see. Here on this panel, all of that looks good. Very light scuffs from getting in and out here. That bolster looks good. All this has that matte finish to it, looks brand new. Console looks nice. Dash looks good. Carpets are clean. That looks really, really good.